Hello everyone, welcome to Dev's Kitchen. I am Sugadev. So today we are going to see one simple puliyogre recipe. We will be making puliyogre powder as well as we will be making puliyogre out of the puliyogre powder. And the puliyogre powder which we are making, you can store it in an airtight container and keep it in use for 3 to 4 months. So it will be very good. At the same time, the recipe is very easy and it will be very tasty. Before we get into the recipe, please do subscribe and enable the notification. Come, let's quickly get into the video. Thank you. Let's see the ingredients required for puliyogre powder. 1 tablespoon chana dal, 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon urad dal, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon peppercorn, 1 tablespoon jeera and 2 tablespoon white sesame seeds. And chili, I have taken 2 varieties of chili. The normal chilies which we use at home, I have taken around 8 of them. And I have taken the Byadagi chilies, 8 of them. So total 16 chilies I have taken. The reason behind taking Byadagi chilies is nothing but it will give more color. At the same time, it will be less spicier than the normal chilies. If you are not getting Byadagi chilies, you can use the normal chilies. However, reduce the quantity. You don't need to use 16. Probably you can use 12 to 13. And tamarind, I have taken 100 grams of tamarind and I have separated like this into pieces and I have kept. And 1 tablespoon jaggery I have taken, and half teaspoon hing or asafoetida powder, and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. So these are the requirements. Once the pan gets heated, first we will add all the dal items, the chana dal, the fenugreek seeds and the urad dal. We will add them first. Keep it in medium flame and fry it for 4 minutes. It's been 4 minutes now. We will just take it off. We will add the remaining items. Just to fry it for 2 minutes, that is enough. It's been 2 minutes now. We shall take it. We will add the chilies. We have fried the chilies, we will take the chilies. Now we are going to fry the tamarind. Just add little oil and add the tamarind. We have to add little oils, then only we have to fry. For tamarind, we can't do a dry fry. It's been 5 minutes. We shall take it now. Now we have transferred it into a mixie. We just have to add the turmeric powder and asafoetida powder in this. We have to add the jaggery as well and we have to grind it. Our puliyogre powder is ready now. You can store it in a container, airtight container, and it will stay for nearly 3-4 months. Now I will show you how to make puliyogre out of this powder. Now let's see the things required for making the puliyogre. 20 curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of grated coconut, groundnut as per your requirement. And from the puliyogre powder which we made, we will be using 4 tablespoons. I will tell you the quantity of rice for that. I have taken rice in 300 ml tumbler and I have cooked that rice. This is that rice. So for 300 ml rice, we will be using 4 tablespoons of the puliyogre powder which we made. So that is the requirement. Now we will start. We are taking 4 tablespoons of sesame oil. We are adding little mustard seeds. And we are adding the groundnuts. We are just adding the coconut, grated coconut and the curry leaves. At this point we will add the puliyogre powder. We have to add 4 tablespoons. Salt I am adding 3/4 teaspoon. Mix it nicely. If you want more salt, you can add as per your requirement. Once you mix it, just switch it off. And we have to add the rice. Just to mix the rice. Our puliyogare is ready now. Tangy and tasty puliyogare is ready. It's very simple recipe. Please do try and let me know. Thank you.